This is the defining moment.
After months of engineering, precision, and relentless effort, the giant stands complete.
Piece by piece, the giant is rebuilt, cutting into the earth, extracting resources at an...
Undeniable. This machine is not just large, it's monumental. But this machine doesn't stop. Day after day, night after night, it continues its work, forming an endless cycle of industrial production.
From the ground to the sky, the structure rises like a steel giant, layer upon layer of engineering precision.
From every angle, the scale remains overwhelming. A machine so large, it demands...
This is where it all begins. Raw steel, delivered in massive 20-ton plates. Each piece...
Every plate undergoes rigorous inspection. Hidden flaws are not an option when you're building a 14,000-ton machine.
Guided by digital precision, raw steel is transformed into engineered components at temperatures exceeding 20,000 degrees.
Before welding begins, every edge is engineered for perfection. These precision bevels ensure maximum strength, allowing simple. This is where the machine takes its first true form. Massive steel sections are fused together.
Now, the scale begins to reveal itself. These massive modules, each weighing 10...
This is the heart of the machine, the bucket wheel, a rotating giant designed to devour Earth.
These massive gears will transfer immense... This is the defining moment. The bucket wheel, engineered for relentless excavation, is fire.
Beneath the steel structure lies a powerful hydraulic network. These systems control movement, stability.
This is the brain of the machine. From here, operators will control every movement with precision. Advanced Before it ever touches the ground, the machine must prove its strength. Extreme stress test.
Protection is as important as power. Specialized coatings shield the machine from corrosion, extreme weather, and constant...
After months of engineering, precision, and relentless effort, the giant stands complete. Moving a machine of this scale is a challenge on its own, each section weighing hundreds of tons.
Reassembly begins at site itself. Piece by piece, the giant is rebuilt. For the first time, power flows through the machine. Systems come alive, transforming steel and now, the giant begins its true purpose. Cutting into the earth, extracting resources at an...
Stretching for kilometers, this open-pit mine relies on the continuous operation of the Bagger 293, dwarfing everything in its path.
Day or night, the operation never stops. Under powerful lights, the machine continues its relentless... Each rotation delivers immense force. These buckets don't just dig, they tear through layers of earth, breaking up. From above, the true scale becomes clear. This is not just a machine, it's a moving industrial complex. Deep inside, enormous gears transfer unimaginable force. Is controlled, precise, and powerful.
Operating at this scale generate intense heat and friction. Advanced cooling systems ensure the machine continues running without failure, day after day.
Even while running, the machine is constantly maintained. Teams work inside this moving giant.
Standing beside it, the scale becomes undeniable. This machine is not just large, it's monumental.
Every movement sends energy into the ground. The weight of the machine reshapes the surface beneath it, turning solid earth into shifting terrain.
Once in full operation, the bucket wheel becomes a relentless force, cutting, lifting, and moving material in a continuous cycle of power. As the sun rises, the cycle begins again. A new day, another chapter in a machine that never truly rests.
Captured in slow motion, the true force becomes visible. Every impact reshapes the ground, turning solid earth into flowing material.
Even as the sun sets, the machine continues. In this golden light, in dust
behind the power lies precision. Every component absorbs and distributes immense forces, working together to maintain balance and strength.
In the end, it stands alone, massive, powerful, and unstoppable. A machine that reshapes them.
To truly understand its size, you have to see it beside us. Humans, vehicles, everything fades in comparison. Weighing over 14,000 tons, stretching more than 200 meters, and powered by electricity equal to a small... Despite its size, control comes down to human precision. From this cabin, operators manage every movement.
This machine doesn't stop. Day after day, night after night, it continues its work, forming an endless cycle of industrial production. In the end, this machine represents more than power. It represents human ambition. The ability to design. In the harshest conditions, the machine continues. Dust, heat, and constant motion, nothing stops its operation. Even giants need maintenance. Short pauses ensure long-term performance, keeping every system running at peak efficiency.
From silence to motion, the machine awakens again. Every system reconnects, bringing the giant back to life.
To put it into perspective, this machine is as long as an entire city block, a moving structure so large into industrial output on an incredible scale.
Over time, the impact becomes undeniable. Entire landscapes are transformed, layer.
From this seat, one person controls a machine that can reshape the earth. It's a reminder that behind it, in the end, the Bagger 293 is more than a machine. It is a symbol of human ambition.
As darkness falls, the machine transforms. Under powerful lights, it becomes a glowing giant.
We have significant runoff near the base.
Noted. The ground stability is compromised.
At full capacity, the system reaches its limits. Tons of material move every second, testing the strength and efficiency of every component.
Through dust and shadow, the machine appears almost unreal. A giant, hidden.
This is power at its peak. Every system working together in perfect synchronization, creating one of the most powerful machines ever built.
Slowed down, the true force becomes visible. Each impact releases immense energy, reshaping the Earth in a single motion.
Slow but unstoppable, the machine moves forward, carrying its immense weight across the landscape with precision and control.
Inside the machine, everything is in motion. A complex network of systems working together to maintain continuous operation.
Even its shadow tells a story. A silhouette of power stretching across the land, marking the presence of something truly massive.
This is the moment that defines it. Power, scale, and precision, captured in a...
It all began with raw steel, and now, it stands as one of the most powerful machines ever created.
To understand its power, you have to understand how it was built. Every part, every system, engineered with precision. Rotation after rotation, the cycle never ends. This is a machine built for continuous motion. Listen closely. Every movement forms a rhythm, a synchronized system where every part works in perfect harmony.
And so, the cycle begins again, from raw steel to unstoppable power. A story that never truly ends.
At this scale, it's no longer just a machine. It's a moving industrial city, operating as one unified system.
From the ground to the sky, the structure rises like a steel giant, layer upon layer of engineering precision.
Inside, the machine feels endless. Corridors stretch far beyond sight, revealing the complexity hidden within. Every system, every movement, working together in perfect synchronization. This is industrial power at its highest level.
The cycle never ends. Rotation after rotation, this machine continues its work.
Maintaining a machine of this scale requires human effort at every level. Workers climb, inspect, and monitor, keeping the system running smoothly. Maintaining a machine of this scale requires human effort at every level. Workers climb, inspect, and monitor, keeping the system running smoothly.
Every system works in harmony. A perfectly synchronized machine, where power, precision, and timing come together. Every system works in harmony. A perfectly synchronized machine, where power, precision, and timing come together.
In every moment, even the smallest details tell a story. Dust in the air reflects the
In the end, the machine continues, steady, powerful, and relentless. A symbol of human engine.
From every angle, the scale remains overwhelming. A machine so large, it demands to be seen from every perspective.
As time moves forward, the machine continues. Its shadow marks the passing of hours, while its work never stops.
Even under immense force, the structure adapts. Every beam, every joint
Reaches its full potential. Every system pushed to its limit, delivering unmatched industrial power.
In the end, what remains is legacy. A machine that stands as a symbol of human innovation.
From a distance, it almost disappears. Yet even as a small point on the horizon, its impact is immense.
Every part of the machine is alive with motion. Vibrations travel through steel, evidence of immense forces at work.
Behind every operation, there are people. Even in the presence of such power, human effort remains at the core.
From above to below, every movement carries weight. Each drop adds to the continuous flow of industrial output.
There is no true beginning and no real end. Just an endless cycle of motion, power, and transformation.
From the smallest particle to the largest machine. This is the scale of transformation, where everything works together. A perfectly balanced system where power, precision, and timing merge into one unstoppable force. In the presence of something this powerful, we are reminded of what humanity can create. Not just machines, but legacies.
The end becomes the beginning. A cycle of creation, operation, and transformation that never truly stops.
No beginning, no end. Just motion, power, and the endless pursuit of progress.